Tired of losing auctions or waiting days for an item to end? Buy It Now lets you grab it instantly. Here's exactly how. We'll walk through finding a Buy It Now listing, clicking the button, reviewing your order, and confirming payment. So the first thing you need to do is actually find a listing that has the Buy It Now option. And here's the trick. Not every listing on eBay is set up for instant purchase. Some are strictly auctions, some have a combination of bidding and Buy It Now, and some are pure instant buys. The easiest way to make sure you're only looking at instant purchase items is to use the search filters. When you search for what you want on eBay, look for a filter option that says Buy It Now. On the website, it's usually on the left-hand side. On the app, it'll be under a filter or sort button. Just tick that box, and eBay will only show you items you can purchase immediately. No bidding, no waiting. It really simplifies things. Once you've found the exact item you want, go ahead and open up that listing page. Now, pay close attention here. The Buy It Now button is usually pretty prominent. It's typically a bright blue button, often on the right side of the page. If the seller also accepts offers, you might see a Make Offer option right next to it, so make sure you're clicking the one that says Buy It Now. Go ahead and click that blue Buy It Now button. Now, this is where a lot of people get nervous, but it's actually very straightforward. After you click Buy It Now, eBay will take you to a review page. Think of this as your last chance to double-check everything before you commit. And trust me, I've done this enough times to know that it's worth taking those extra 30 seconds here. First, look at the item details again. Make sure it's the right color, size, model, whatever matters. Then check the price. Is it the same as what was shown on the listing? It should be. Then look at the shipping. Is it free? Is there a cost? How long will it take? Some sellers offer multiple shipping options here, so you might want to pick the one that works best for you. Also, take a look at the quantity if you need more than one. Some Buy It Now listings let you buy multiple items. And here's a common gotcha. Check for any applicable coupon codes or promo offers. If eBay or the seller has a deal running, there might be a spot to enter a coupon code right on this review page. I always glance for that little link that says something like Add a Coupon. Finally, confirm your shipping address is correct. I cannot stress this enough. eBay will show you where it's going, and if you need to change it, now is the time. Click the Change button if you've moved or if you want it sent somewhere else. All right, so once everything looks good, it's time to actually pay. You'll see your payment options listed here. eBay will show you the methods you've saved on your account, like a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. If you want to use a new card or a different method, there's usually an option to add a new payment method right there. Just click on whichever one you want to use. Now, here's the thing I always tell people. Some payment methods might offer buyer protection or rewards. It's worth picking the one that gives you a little extra peace of mind. But for most people, whatever you have saved is perfectly fine. And I've noticed that sometimes eBay will ask if you want to save this payment method for future purchases. That's up to you, but if you shop on eBay a lot, it does make things faster next time. Now, for the final step. Once you've chosen your payment method, look for the button that says Confirm and Pay. Go ahead and click it. And that's it. The purchase processes. You'll usually see a confirmation screen with your order number. eBay will also send you an email with all the details, so keep an eye on your inbox. From here, you just wait for your item to ship. So the next time you see something you really want on eBay, you don't have to cross your fingers and hope you win an auction. Just find a Buy It Now listing, double-check your details, and you can have it on its way to you in seconds. Go ahead and give that a try on your next purchase.